Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you the system exit. I think it's system. It's Sys.exit code. So how we're going to do this is we're going to import Sys. I'm not sure what that means, but I think it stands for system. So that's importing the Sys library. Now we're going to go down and we're going to do a print statement that says hello, or this will exit the program once we run the Sys program line of code. We can just do line of code. You can do whatever you want, but I'm just going to do this for demonstration. Then also what we're going to do is we're going to import time, and then we're going to do time.sleep and 2 seconds, and we're going to do system.exit. And how you do that is sys.exit and then a pair of parentheses. And we run this and save it, and it goes, this will exit the program once we run the line of Sys code. And you can see that it did indeed exit, but yeah, right there. It exited and it broke the whole program. So as you see, if you go and watch my guessing game code, I use system.exit if they say they don't want to play the game anymore. But yep, that's just a quick video on how to do system exit. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.